Hi friends, good morning. How are you all? Must be good only. So friends, in today's video, I have brought a small tip for all of you. Some might be knowing it and some might not be knowing it. I have learned it from the nursery people and from my own experience also. You know, sometimes what happens, we bring a plant from somewhere or we sow a seed, in a small planter, and that after some times we forget about it. If the garden is very big, like I have a very big garden in all the 3 floors, and sometimes we tend to forget that we put a seed there or we put a small plant there and it remains hidden, and then suddenly after a few months or after a month we find that the plant has become big in that small planter, but it's not doing well. Why? Because the planter is very small. So what to do then? Then here's the trick. I'll just show you that what I have been doing and what we all can do. Now look at this plant, friends. This is a small ornamental chili plant, and this I had transplanted in a bigger pot. So it's doing so well. So many flowers, chilies, doing very well, is getting good sunshine also, and it's on my terrace. So with this there was no problem. But then there are other plants which I forgot to transplant also, because the gardening is expanding like anything with me. It's just crazy here. So friends, I'll just show you the other plants now. With those plants what I have done, I'll just show you. This is the same ornamental chili plant and doing so well. Its stems have become really strong and is flowering and giving good chilies also. These are like cherry chilies. I don't know, they are edible of course, but then I really don't know what to do with these, but they look very beautiful. So now I have come to my roof garden, friends. So this is my roof garden. Usually it remains little messy because it's difficult to climb this far, this height every time I have to come to my garden. So I come here just twice or thrice a week. So you see friends, this I want to show you. This is a spinach vine, Malabar spinach vine, and I have put a very nice supports for this, and they are climbing like anything. They have gone up till the other side of the roof also. You look at these twigs, these rope like twigs. They have expanded everywhere. And can you believe it, the size of pot this plant is having? I'll just show you. Just have a look at the vine first. Now here comes my pot. This is the pot, friends. This is not even the length of my full palm. This is a very small pot. And how and why it is doing so well? When there was a time when it was not doing so well, and the vine had expanded till 1 meter or 2 meters only. So I just put it in the nearby big vegetable bed, and the lots of soil was there. So what happened? The roots from the pot, they have increased, spread towards the other side of the big vegetable bed. So that's the secret, friends. So if by chance you forget that to transplant this vegetable small plant, then you can just put it on a very big large size of pot. So from underneath the roots go into the other big pot. So I hope you like the secret, friends. See you in the next video.